550 will take 2 weeks. Pero i-deliver nila kasama na daw yung delivery fee sa 550. This is in California Garden.
Postal ID requirements.
Anytime Fitness nandito, mag-gym kami. Pero papakita ko lang yung may nagtanong kasi sa akin. Itong mag-inquire about yung process ng postal ID. So yung requirements, may nagtanong po yung requirements. Ipakita ko ha. Let's go open. 9 a.m. to 5:30. Isang proof ng identity which is birth certificate, galing sa PSA, GSS ID, UMID ID, valid driver's license, valid passports. Tapos kapag, syempre, yung ID nyo, hindi kasal na kayo, tapos yung ID nyo na ipipresent is single pa, dapat mag-prepare kayo ng marriage certificate para makita nila na yun yung current last name mo. Unless, iba yung last name mo. Tapos ito pa, kung halimbawa, located kayo, like, this is in Mandaluyong ha, located kayo sa Makati, Quezon City, isang proof of address, dapat na mayroon kayong address na imapapasya. Isa lang dito, kahit barangay clearance, certificate of true copy of lease, basta address, kahit taga saan kayo, pwede silang mag-process. Okay? Ayan siya. Ito na yung ID. Ito pala yung sabi ni Madam, apply na 550 regular, 550 will take 2 weeks. Pero i-deliver nila kasama na daw yung delivery fee sa 550. 2 weeks yung dating sa inyo. Dating na yun, yung 650, pick up nyo after 2 days. Ayan. Ayan, okay, naintindihan nyo na. Dito lang yan, guys. Dito lang siya. Sa baba lang ng McDonald's. Ayun. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.